Introduction. Hey friends, today Naira is telling her friend about kangri that Kashmiris use to keep themselves warm in winters. Kangri is an earthen pot with burning charcoal inside it that produces heat. Kashmiris keep it inside their cloaks all the time. Naira's friend wonders what life would have been like if fire had not been discovered. Let us learn more about fire in this lesson. Story of fire. Many years ago, people were unaware of fire. So they lived in the dark at night and ate uncooked food. Then, one day a man accidentally rubbed 2 stones and a spark was produced. And then people came to know about fire. Nowadays, fire is produced in several other ways, such as by striking a matchstick, pressing a gas lighter, etc. Uses of fire. Now let us understand how fire is useful to us. Fire has several uses. We use fire for light. For example, we use candles and lamps to light up our houses. We use fire to cook food and boil water. We build bonfires to get warmth in severe winters. We use fire to melt metals. Handling fire. Fire can cause serious injuries if not handled carefully. Let us now understand the precautions that we should take while handling fire. Never strike a matchstick close to inflammable substances like petrol, diesel, gas, etc. Never stand too close to a fireplace, otherwise your clothes may catch fire. Always keep fire extinguishers at home and offices to fight accidental fires. In case of a major fire, call the fire station immediately. Pour water on burns immediately. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Many years ago, people did not know about fire. Fire was discovered accidentally. Fire is used for lighting, cooking, boiling, and melting. Fire must be handled carefully, otherwise it can cause serious injuries.